Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design. Here I would like to explore this passenger handle of a city bus and train or simply a bus grab handle in 3D. So let's begin.
This is a passenger grab pull handle which we usually see in a city bus. Here you could see the handmade pencil drawing of the grab handle, all dimensions in millimeters. Overall sizes in mm, 122 by 122, 32 thick at top and 19 thick at bottom and yellow in color. I assume this is of ABS plastic material and injection molded product with a inserted steel rod at the top. Reference picture for injection molding. Visualizing the completed 3D design with real grab handle picture. First and foremost, on the front plane, let's draw a square of 122 mm as a construction sketch. Then draw a horizontal construction line at 16 mm height from bottom. Then exactly at the bottom, sketched a midpoint line and a tangent arc on the left. Then sketch mirrored the tangent arc to the right and added a dimension of radius 15. Then sketched a center point arc at the top and applied tangent and midpoint relation with it. Then sketched a tangent arc on the left to connect bottom and top arcs and mirrored it to right to make a closed sketch and fully defined it. This completes the outer sketch for the handle. Let's begin the inner sketch. Sketching a center point arc to match 26 mm vertical construction line. Then connected a tangent arc on the left and mirrored it to right. Then defined a radius of 88 mm and positioned it properly. Then added a tangent arc on the left and matched it to horizontal construction line. Then mirrored it to right and defined a radius of 8 mm. Let's start sketching for finger grooves. Drawn construction sketches of 20 mm height and 22 mm on both sides. Then sketched an arc by connecting on left, then repeated it on right. Then connected tangent arcs on left and right to complete the sketches for finger grooves. And this completes two main enclosed sketches. Then let's form the main body of grab handle of 32 mm thick by extruding symmetrically. Main body has been applied with yellow color and ABS plastic material. Then on the right plane, drawn two closed tapered sketches symmetrically to form bottom thickness of 19 mm to a bottom thickness of 19 mm. Then making the tapered cut through all on both front and back to a bottom thickness of 19 with cut extrude. Then on the front plane, drawn a closed sketch at the top of handle with 4 mm down clearance. Then making cut at top symmetrically by keeping 4 mm thickness on both front and back. Next, added radius 2 mm rounds into outer two edges with tangent propagation. Then added radius 2 mm rounds into all inner edges tangentially to get rid of sharp edges. Then on the front taper face, sketched two concentric circles of dia 10 and dia 6 at a depth of 10 from top. Then made first counter bore hole of deep 2 mm on the front side using previously drawn concentric circles. Then duplicated the front counter bore hole to back with feature mirror command. Executed model cross-section view to verify the counter bore holes. added appropriate fillets to get rid of sharp edges, then ultimately made the inserted steel rod of dia 6 mm at the top for hanging support. Density of ABS plastic and steel are shown, so approx mass of the grab handle 120 grams. Then the 2D detailing done from the 3D design with all details for manufacturing on a 3D fully designed drawing template. Manufacturing is through injection molding. Ultimately, the realistic looking city bus grab handle in 3D with tangent edges display turned off. The final 3D model download link is provided in the description. My 3D certifications. I do 2D and 3D workshops for students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.